We teach little mini lessons and then we send them into workshop so that they are getting that differentiated instruction. So whether it's teacher-led, there's an instructional aid in every classroom, and we have adaptive online programs for our students so that whatever their need is, we're here to meet them.
Hi everyone, I'm Monica from Scola. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's Scola School Chat video. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our awesome school interviews. Ready to look at some schools? I know I am. Let's jump right into it.
Hi, this is Sean with Scola, and I'm here at ICEF Inglewood Elementary Charter Academy in Inglewood, California, here with Principal Peters.
Hi.
So firstly, thanks so much for having us here. Can you tell us a little bit about the school and the mission here to kick things off?
Yeah, so here at ICEF Inglewood Elementary, we prepare our students for college as early as the elementary. So our mission at ICEF Public Schools is for our students to be able to not only attend, but to compete in the college level.
Okay, yeah, I could see that with all the different college banners throughout the school, that they were really giving that college feeling and aspirations for college right from the get-go.
Yeah, we like to have, our teachers put up a college corner in each of their rooms, where they're putting their college diploma, their college pictures, starting to put that atmosphere like in our kids' presence.
Okay, cool. Tell me a couple things that really make this school unique.
Yeah, so here at ICEF we focus on the 3 A's. So it's academics, arts, and athletics. So we offer PE, taught by PE teachers. We have art from our art teacher. And then we also offer coding, and that's we partner with a company called Code Campus.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, so yeah, we have actual specialty teachers that teach those electives to our students.
Okay, so yeah, beyond just the kind of standard academics, but really offering some newer types of classes and coding, obviously, preparing kids for that digital future.
That's where all of our kids, TK all the way through 5th grade. So even the little kids, they're getting coding.
Okay, and I'm glad you mentioned TK through 5th, but you said schools earlier. So are there other ICEF schools?
Yeah, so we are a family of schools. There's 7 schools that are a part of ICEF. 4 elementary schools, 2 middle schools, and a high school.
Oh, that's great. So once kids get started here, they can just progress all the way through high school in the same ICEF family. Great, great. So walking through the hallways here, I kept seeing some different acronyms on the walls, and I think one of them was SHARP. Can you explain what that is?
So at our school, we are real sharp, and so every letter stands for something. From respectful, responsible, empathetic, astute, logical. I mean, I could go through all of them.
Real sharp, it's a lot.
But real sharp, it's a lot of letters. But we mostly focus on 4 school-wide rules. So it's be safe, be respectful, be responsible, and be kind. And so all of our behaviors, all of our expectations, fall into one of those 4 categories. And you'll see those matrix in all of our classrooms, in their classroom expectations, but then also in our school-wide expectations.
Okay. And I noticed, a lot of the conversation and even just what we saw, it's not just academics, it's beyond the classroom, and you have a lot of kind of support classes and activities to go along with that.
Yeah.
Can you go through some of those?
Yeah, so we have tons of supports here.
Okay.
So looking at just like our school staff, we have an assistant principal, we also have an instructional specialist, and those 2 really focus on coaching our teachers. We have 2 reading intervention teachers and a math intervention teacher. Looking at social emotional supports, we have a counseling team, a social worker. We have staff that support our students with IEPs.
Right.
Yeah, so in terms of staffing, we have a lot. We also have a really great after-school program. We partner with ARC. And so what they do, they provide before school program where if parents needed to drop off students as early as 6:30 in the morning, it's free program in the morning.
Wow.
But then, our school day, we get out at 3:20. And so we offer a free after school program till 6 o'clock as well. ARC does summer program, winter program, spring program. So if parents need that, we offer that free of charge.
Wow, I mean, that alone is something that could draw a lot of parents in, I think, having those programs available. And I saw in some of those support classrooms, like your literary center, you had really cool new digital smart boards as well.
Oh yeah, all of our classrooms have a 75-inch Promethean board in it. So it's been really cool to see the kids like interact with the board, seeing the teachers interact with the board has really just made it just so exciting to learn and be a part of the learning.
Well, it sounds great. It's a great school, and we saw a lot of smiling kids, which is always symbolic of something.
Yeah, we're happy here.
So tell me a little bit more about that kind of teaching style and learning style that goes on.
Yeah, so at our school we operate on like a workshop model. So no matter where your child lies, high, medium, low, we offer intervention support for them. We teach little mini lessons and then we send them into workshop so that they are getting that differentiated instruction. So whether it's teacher-led, there's an instructional aid in every classroom, and we have adaptive online programs for our students so that whatever their need is, we're here to meet them.
Okay, yeah, I saw as we were walking in that it was, virtual and hybrid offered, so you have a little bit of everything to help families with, meet their needs.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me a little bit more about the community here.
So in Inglewood, Inglewood is booming right now. We have the Forum, SoFi Center, the Clippers are about to be here. We're on the other side of LAX. So, we are a happening town, and it's really exciting to be a part of a city that's growing, At our school, we serve 425 students. We have 3 classrooms at each grade level. We're at the corner, or adjacent to La Brea and Manchester is kind of where we're located to give people an idea.
Okay. Yeah, and you said about 400 students, so that's a pretty small school for the area, right?
It is, and it allows us to have small class sizes as well. So, our classrooms run anywhere between 18 to 25 students.
Okay, yeah, you mentioned that you had that kind of differentiated learning approach, individualized attention, and small classrooms really what allows you to be able to do that.
So something that ICEF is starting to do, we started to roll out a vaccine clinic. On Saturdays. It's starting with being able to offer our staff, students, and parents the COVID vaccine, even though it's not required yet for our school. We're starting there, but then hopefully by the summertime, being able to offer our families like their tetanus shot, their hepatitis shot, like any of their school vaccines that they need, we want to be able to offer that to our families. And then hopefully by like the winter time when it's flu season, we're able to offer flu shots, So that's something that's in the process. We're just starting to roll it out, so we'll see. Hopefully that's a go.
Well, it sounds like you have some good partnerships in the works with the community.
No, absolutely. We want to be able to offer that support to the family.
Okay, and I noticed first thing when we walked in that there was a chocolate bar fundraiser going on, so there's some parent involvement.
Yes, no, absolutely. We host some 2 big school fundraisers each year. Candy is one of them in the spring, and then popcorn is our other big one in the fall. But all of that fundraising is for things for the classroom, balls for the yard, equipment for the yard, rugs for the classroom, just anything, field trips. We're a go for field trips next year. Okay. So all of those things are to help offset the cost of those things.
Okay, well, it's just always great to see those types of activities that get the parents involved and really shows that the school offers more than just academics, but a real community.
Yes.
For parents that aren't familiar with your location, where is it, and how can they get more information?
Yeah, so they can visit our website, www.icefpsforpublicschools.org. We're located in Inglewood, so our main street is La Brea, in between Hillcrest and Manchester.
Got it, perfect. So you can find them there and stop by the school, and you can also find more information by visiting their profile at scola.com, where we tell all about their academics as well as how to apply. Thank you so much, Principal Peters, for having us here. It's a great campus, and we really appreciate you being here.
Yay, thank you.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's Scola School Chat video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you would like to watch more of our awesome videos, make sure to click here. And to stay up to date with all the awesome videos we post and subscribe to our channel, make sure to click here. See you on the next one.